Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3 of the same topic, that is the data handling. We'll see the exercise 18.2. So let us see the first question here. Find the median of the following data. So in the previous one exercise we have seen the mean, here we'll see the median. So what do you mean by the median? Median means you have to see the middlemost. Suppose these are numbers given, you have to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. So you have to see the middlemost, which is the middlemost observation. So here this will be 4 and this will be 4. So the middlemost is 5. So median is the middlemost observation. So median will be 5. So here we can see these are total 10. So here these 9 means it was the odd number. So it was easy to find out the middle number. So here we have the 10 numbers. So this is the even number. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to take the middle pair. So now what we can see here, this is 4, and this is the pair. So 5 and 6, and then you have to take the mean of it. Mean means now these are the two numbers, we have to divide it by 2. So to find the median of even number of observation, consider the middle pair and then find mean value of this pair. So median will be, this is the middle pair, so that will be 5 plus 2 divided by 2, so that will be 11 by 2. When you divide 11 by 2, you get 5.5. Find the median of the following list of values. So these are the numbers given, and here one thing we have to do, whenever this was already arranged in the ascending order. So in this one, first thing what we have to do, this is not in the ascending order. So first thing we have to arrange this in the ascending order. So here, see here, this is already arranged here. These numbers have been arranged in the ascending order, and then you have to find the middlemost observation. So how many numbers are here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 means this is the odd number. So now this is easy. 11 means you will divide this by this 5 and this 5. So this will be the middlemost observation, that is the middlemost number. So that will be 12. Again, these numbers we are going to arrange in the ascending order. So here this is arranged in the ascending order. So how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 means this is even number. Even number means you have to take the middle pair. So here you will take 4. Here you will take 4. And these are the two middle. Or this is the pair. So 70 plus 72. So divided by 2. So this will be 142 divided by 2, which is going to be 71. So median is 71. So middle of first 10 odd numbers is what? So now this, instead of writing it directly, it's better to solve this one. So first 10 odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because these are all the odd numbers, first 10 odd numbers. So the median of this one, so how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3. 10 means here this will be 4, this will be 4, and this is the middle pair. So 9 plus 11 divided by 2, so that will be 20 by 2, which is 10. So here you can write 10. The median of first 25 whole numbers. So first 25, these are the whole numbers. Whole numbers means you are going to start with 0 and not 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, we are going to take till 25. So you know, now if we take from 0 to 11, so 0 to 11 will be, how many numbers will be there? That is going to be 12 numbers. So 13th number is going to be 12. And then we'll start from 13 to 25 will be again 12 numbers. So 24, so this will be 12 and this is going to be 12 numbers. So 24 and this one will be, total will be 25 numbers. So see here 0 to 11 will be 12 numbers. We are going to include 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So there will be 12 numbers. So after 11 will be 12. So this is going to be the median of it. The median of first 12 even numbers. So even numbers, first 12 even numbers means, which will be that you will start with the median of that. So 12 means it will be, you will start that will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 22 and 24. So now if we are taking here, these are the 12 numbers. So we'll take the 5 and this 4 and this 5. So 12 plus, so this is the middle pair, 12 and 14. So 12 plus 14 divided by 2. So that will be 26 divided by 2. So that will be 13. So the median of first 12 even numbers is 13. Hope you got this, because even numbers this will start with 2. So we have to take 12 numbers. So these are the 12 numbers, so that will go to 24. And because this is an even number, you have to take the middle pair. So, and divide by 2. So that will be 13. So now let us see how to do this one. Marks obtained by 20 students in mathematics paper out of 100 are given below. So these are the marks given. And they have asked what is the mode of their marks. So mode means the number which occurs more than once. So let us arrange this one in the ascending order. So after arranging one, this is the ascending order. These are the numbers. These all numbers are arranged here in the ascending order. So what you can see here, we have to find the mode of it. So you can see this 85 occurs more than once. So you can write here, mode is 85. So what do you understand by the mode here? So we can say here this is the marks obtained by these are the 20 students here. So we can say most of the students scored, this is 85 marks. Find the mean, median and mode for the following list of numbers. So all three you have to find out. So these are the numbers given. So now let us arrange this one in the ascending order first. So these are the numbers arranged in the ascending order. So mean, mean means you have to take the sum of all the observations divided by the number of observations. So this we are going to add it. So this is going to be added and the number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of observation is 9. So when you, after adding this, you get 144. You can check. So 144 divided by 9. So 144 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 and this is 54. So 9 6 are 54. So the mean is 16. And now you will see the median. Median means the middlemost observation. So here, because these are 9 numbers, so 4 here, and the middle number is 15. So the median is 15. And again, you have to find a mode. Mode means the number which occurs more than one. So the here is 14 is twice, but here you can see this is 4 times. So we can take the mode is 15. Now this again you have to arrange this in the ascending order. This is arranged in the ascending order. Mean is you have to add all this one. So this is added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is divided by 10. So 120 divided by 10. So this is going to be 12. And the median is here 10 numbers means you will take this, sorry, this one here because this is arranged in this one. So this and this one, and these are the middle pair. So 11 plus 11 divided by 2. So that will be 22 divided by 2. So that is going to be 11. And the mode. Mode means you can see this 10 is repeated many times. So the mode is 10. Here again, this in this one, the mean means you are going to add these numbers and total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by number of observation is 6. So now this is the even number. So you will take this 2 and 2, this 4, and the middle one is pair is 5 plus this. So sorry for this one. So this will be first thing mean is 34 by 6. These are the 6 numbers. So this is 5.67 and the middle one median is this because there are 6 numbers. So this is the middle pair. So 5 plus 7 divided by 2. So that will be 12 by 2 which is 6. And here we can see all the numbers are single. Nothing is repeating. So we can say mode is none. Now these numbers we have to arrange in the ascending order. Then main means you are going to add all these numbers and you are going to divide it by, this total numbers are 10, divided by 10. So after adding this, you get 81 divided by 10, that will be 8.1. So mean is 8.1. And here we have to find the median. Median means because these are the 10 numbers, so you will take 4 here, 4 here. So this is the middle pair. So 9 plus, that will be 7 plus 9 divided by 2. So this will be 16 by 2, which is going to be 8. And the mode will be, this is 7 and this is 9. So 7 and 9, because you can see here also is 3 and here also 3 times. So that will be mode is 7 and 9. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.